Looking for drinks that can aid your weight loss journey? Well, you've landed on the right spot. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 beverages that, when mixed with a healthy diet and regular exercise, can support your weight loss efforts. We'll delve into why these drinks are beneficial, and how they can help you reach your weight management goals. It's not magic, but it's science, making your wellness journey a little more flavorful. Ready to discover these drinks? Stay tuned. First on our list is green tea. Humble Beverage is a powerhouse of health benefits, and one of those benefits could potentially be weight loss. Tea is brimming with antioxidants, those tiny warriors that fight against harmful free radicals in our bodies. But it's not just about the antioxidants. Green tea also contains catechins, a type of natural phenol and antioxidant. Why are catechins important, you ask? Well, research suggests that these catechins could give your metabolism a little boost, helping your body burn fat more effectively. Imagine that, enjoying a warm, comforting cup of tea while it works its magic, aiding your weight loss journey. But remember, green tea is not a magic potion. Can support weight loss efforts when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise. So, next time you're reaching for a hot beverage, consider green tea. Green tea, a warm and inviting cup with potential weight loss benefits. Next up is black coffee. Now, this is a little morning pick-me-up that could be doing more than just clearing the cobwebs from your eyes. It's been shown to increase your metabolism, which is your body's process of converting food into energy. Not only that, but black coffee can also promote fat oxidation. That's a fancy way of saying it can help your body burn fat. But as with most things in life, there's a catch. You see, the benefits of black coffee can be overshadowed if you're adding sugar or high-calorie creamers. Those sweet little additions can quickly turn your healthy black coffee into a calorie-laden dessert. So, if you're looking to reap the weight loss benefits of black coffee, it's best to enjoy it in its most basic form: hot, black, and sugar-free. Black coffee, your morning wake-up call that could also aid your weight loss journey. Moving on to coconut water. This tropical beverage can indeed be a part of a weight loss diet thanks to its low calorie count and natural electrolyte content. It keeps you hydrated without piling on extra calories. However, don't be fooled into thinking it's a magic solution for weight loss. Like any healthy food or drink, coconut water works best when incorporated into a balanced diet, complemented by regular exercise. So, enjoy this refreshing drink, but remember, it's one piece of the puzzle. Coconut water, a tropical delight that can support your weight management efforts. Now let's talk about lemon water. This zesty, refreshing beverage is more than just a thirst quencher. It may also aid digestion, helping your body break down food more efficiently. But that's not all. Lemon water is known to promote hydration, a key factor in supporting weight loss efforts. Staying hydrated can help you avoid overeating and keep your metabolism functioning optimally. So the next time you reach for a drink, consider choosing lemon water. Lemon water, a refreshing beverage with potential weight loss benefits. Lastly, we have the apple cider vinegar drink. This pungent, tangy brew has been making waves in the health community, and for good reason. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may play a role in weight management by decreasing appetite and increasing feelings of fullness. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is believed to have an effect on the body's metabolism and digestion, potentially reducing the amount of time fats stay in the digestive tract, which means fewer calories get absorbed. It's like having a secret weapon in your daily diet. But remember, moderation is key. While apple cider vinegar can be a beneficial addition to your daily routine, it's not a quick fix. Consuming excessive amounts can lead to discomfort and other issues, so it's best to stick to a tablespoon or 2 a day, diluted in water. Apple cider vinegar drink, a tangy concoction that might help you feel fuller for longer. And there you have it, 5 drinks that can aid your weight loss journey. Green tea with its metabolism-boosting antioxidants, black coffee promoting fat oxidation, coconut water offering low-calorie hydration, lemon water supporting digestion, and apple cider vinegar potentially curbing appetite. But remember, while these drinks can support your goals, they're no substitute for a balanced lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes. Remember, every weight loss journey is unique. Find what works best for you and make your health a priority. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey. Before we wind up, we'd love to invite you to follow our channel Fit Flavors Life for more videos like this. We're passionate about providing you with the best health and fitness tips, and your support helps us continue doing what we love. Remember, every click, like, and share makes a difference. So, Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more health and fitness tips.